And jump me.
This nigga backstory explains why he hates girls.
Girls would sit there, jump me for my fucking chips, bro. That was so much bullshit. Girls used to jump me for my chips. So what I would do, right? Actually, I can't say that.
You they grabbing the ass.
I'm trying to go to jail. What the fuck? Nah, when this nigga Sasuke beating my ass, I need help. Never mind.
I'm fighting Itadori, bro.
That's why I said never mind. Okay. You may want to watch it back though. Wait, what the fuck? Where did y'all go?
They over here, bro. Oh fuck, I aimed the wrong way.
Yo, this nigga Sasuke keep catching me lacking in the air, bro. Oh, you let him kick me? Oh, what?
Do they keep lagging for you too?
No, not really. Well, kinda, but not completely.
It's like having spikes. Like you're not really lagging.
Yeah, like that. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, clutch.
I
ain't gonna lie, they beat my ass, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna say, don't let him do this to me, bro.
trying to talk, but we got. Okay, the echo stopped. Thank God. Nightwing, are they? Yo, why are you letting me?
I'm more worried about. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, this is oh yeah.
But I'm trying to like.
Oh fuck, I'm dead. Fuck, that was a bad idea.
What did you
Forgot
do?
who we was fighting.
What did you do? What did you do?
I put them in like in the air, like motion, put them in the air with me. Yeah, is that a shit cannon drills?
Yeah.
Last? Whoa.
Nigga, I'm on my last life queue. I'm trying to fucking kill this nigga.
This nigga Itadori is still alive? Damn. As soon as I took Itadori in the air, this nigga Sasuke killed me.
I think the reason why we lost because I was trying to manage the echo while playing the game at the same time.
Yeah, B word, bro. Nah, just kidding.
But this echo is fucking insane. It's so annoying. Nightwing, why do we both keep echoing?
Oh, it's kind of worse, and like my situation probably worse than yours because I have a mic. It's just like it just has an echo. Like you only have a phone, so you take it, right?
The weirdest part about it. The weirdest part about it, right, is that yours echoes like at random.
Yeah, mine is inconsistent and it does it at random times. It's fucking homosexual.
Are you going to invite me though?
No, you can eat my butt though.
You bet.